Hello students, let us see this question. Okay, given in the figure are two blocks A and B of weight. So the weight of A is given 20 Newton. So let us see, make here. The weight is given 20 Newton and for B the weight is given 100 Newton. Okay. These are being placed against a wall by a force F as shown in figure. Alright. If the coefficient of friction between the blocks is 0.1, so here the mu is given 0.1 and between the block B and the wall is 0.15. So here the mu is given 0.15. Alright. Then the frictional force applied by wall on the block B. So right, since it is nothing given in the question, so I will assume that this force F is sufficient such that both the block is stationary. So all I need to make the free body diagram here. So let us make the free body diagram for A. FBD of A if I make. Alright. So on A the force will act. First will act 20 Newton. Okay. Then alright, then if I take the upward direction, so since it is at rest, so here the friction will act. Alright, so you can say like right, so I am writing the ABD here on the block A in the vertical direction only. So 20 Newton must be balanced by some force and that force must be friction. Sorry, right, mind it, I am writing the ABD of A in the vertical direction only. So in the vertical direction only the two forces will act, 20 and friction, and this friction must balance the 20 Newton. So I will say here the friction is equal to 20 Newton here. So obviously here in this figure the on block A the friction will act in upward direction and by the Newton's third law on the block B the friction will act in downward direction. Now okay, now I write, so now I will write, because it is asking the frictional force applied by wall on the block B. Now for the B I will write the FBD. So FBD of B only in vertical direction if I say. So see what are the forces will act. One is 100 Newton. Okay, here the friction is also acting. So that is friction is also acting and the value of friction we are getting here 20 Newton. Okay, and okay, in the vertical direction only these two forces are acting. There is no other force because here the normal will also act, but that is in normal, right, in the horizontal direction. Here also the normal will act, but that is also in the horizontal direction. Here the friction will act and this friction has to balance this downward force. Then only the B can come at rest. So here the friction must act in upward direction. Right, here the friction must act in upward direction. So let us call this friction F1 and this F1 will balance the right, these two downward forces. So block is at rest. So I will say here this F1 must be equal to 100 Newton plus 20 Newton because this F1 has to balance this downward force because the B is at rest. So I can say here the friction is equal to 120 Newton. So obviously the friction force between the wall and the block B is 120 Newton. So let us see which option is coming here. Option C. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.